Alright, it's only me. I'm on a wee bit later today, but things got out of hand last night. And we've been recovering this morning. I'm big Sunday milkshake guy here. But we're going to do one half the album of the day today, which is the excellent Budgie album from 1981, Night Flight, their second album, to feature the guitar player Big John Thomas. Is quite a fantastic unsung guitar hero for the early 80s. You get guys that were lucky like Yannick Gers and Vivian Campbell, who were rescued for obscurity by joining a big brand name band, but unfortunately no for John Thomas. So he's best remembered for these albums he made with Budgie. But this album, Night Flight, slightly more commercial than 1980s Power Supply, which was a bit more... you got to think that it's got to be some kind of AC/DC influence on it, although listening to it now, it sounds quite similar to Saxon. Although 1980 Saxon and Budgie would have been running concurrently and probably no that aware of what each other was doing. But anyway, this song, Keeping a Rendezvous, in a key of A, and this is probably one of the more kind of radio friendly tracks on the album. So it's all based around about this rhythm here. No unlike 2-4-6-8 Motorway, with this hang on the A, the G and the F sharp. So it's this kind of... You just dumb it down a wee bit and cut some of the bouncing down to the E only, just to kind of... for the bridge before the chorus. Just an F, and then C, D, E, G, twice and then back in. And much like a lot of the songs for Power Supply, that's basically the two riffs. If you're thinking of things like heavy Revolution and stuff, only a couple of riffs. It's the way it's arranged and all played. You do the F to the C, D, A, G thing twice in the first two verses, and then after the guitar solo, which after the second time you do the F thing, there's a tiny 1 beat break, and then you get into the guitar solo, which is a repeat of the main riff. And then when you come out to the guitar solo, you do the F thing twice, although the fourth time round you hang on the D. So I mean, it's easy. It's as easy as it sounds, this song, and a good one to get up and running, playing pretty quick, which is handy for me today, because this is a pure rough house in here, man. I've got a bunch of grapes in there. I think they'll be getting eaten very soon. So let's get tore into this. This from Budgie's Night Flight album, Keeping a Rendezvous. Budgie song, Keeping a Rendezvous, for the Night Flight album for 1981. You should check that one out today. Some good songs on that. I Turn to Stone, Superstar. She Used Me Up. Hunter's a great Budgie heavy metal song. Have a nice day. I'm away for a lie down. Keep listening, Budgie.